Amen dito.
So for that price, I'll give it a go. They actually have noise cancellation, which I was surprised about.
Nawala yung ano.
Daw pa talaga.
Yeah, the AirPods have definitely improved in the last year. Yeah, they didn't have noise cancellation, they didn't have the charging case, and now they've got both. And when you lift the case up, it connects to your phone. It was so flimsy. I was like, "Oh, that's actually good for this."
Yan. Mamaya kakainin mo na naman.
What's the...
Ako dyan.
We'll come back later though, okay? Oh my gosh. It's designer heaven, diba?
Tawag mo. Dumis eh.
Every time we go to the store, they say, we've got the best deals, we've got the best products.
Yan, yan. Sige, nakakasip ka naman ang takuan mo.
There's the person that grabbed me last year. Yes. Football shirts, yeah, I get that picked up.
Paano daw si mama?
Paano daw si mama kanina? Paano daw si mama kanina?
350.
Uy,
What about
naman eh.
vests?
Yung bag ko, B.
350. Okay.
Yan. Tama nga, paano? Paano daw si mama kanina? Paano? Paano si mama kanina? Paano? Paano nga si mama kanina? Paano nga si mama kanina? Bawal! 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 Paano mo na
Ayayamat na.
Paano mo na si mama kanina?